Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Crystal. I do DIYs, reviews, hauls, and much more. Today's video I wanted to share how I did the decorations for Nightmare Before Christmas. So if you want to see how I did that, please keep watching. Okay, so yesterday I found a picture of Zero and I pretty much freehand it and put it on cardboard, and today I'm going to spray paint it with my Rust-Oleum chalk paint and linen. I'm going to do it on both sides. Of course, do not do it with your dog around. Can you not get on there? So yeah, I'm going to spray paint it and then I'll go back and do all the detail to Zero. Okay, so I spray painted this twice, and now I'm just going back with a permanent marker to do all the detailed work on Zero. And I'm also outlining the outside of Zero as well, just so you can see it much better when it's hanging. Now I'm just going to take some black crafting paint and a paintbrush and fill in Zero's eye. I only did one coat on his eye. Next I'm taking some glitter that I got from Hobby Lobby and now getting some craft paint in orange. Again, just one coat on that one, and just grabbed a different glitter also from Hobby Lobby. I don't know if you can find them now. I got these a few years ago. So I don't know if the same exact ones will be available, but I'm pretty sure you can find something similar. And that's it for Zero. I wanted to take some Mod Podge and paint over the glitter area just so that the glitter will not come off while it's hanging. And again, I just did one coat over each area. Here I'm just taking my daughter's old ghost costume that I made. I do have a tutorial on that costume. If you want to see it, it will be linked above. So I just took that and put it around Zero, and now I'm just taking fishing line to connect him to the ceiling. So for Oogie Boogie, Lock, Shock, and Barrel, I pretty much did the same. I just took a picture from the internet and freehanded everything. Then I just took this crafting knife. I know there's a name for it, but I can't think of it. And just went through all the areas and cut everything out. I did also use scissors to go back and cut it. But on the areas for the eyes and the mouth, the more detailed areas, I just stuck with the small knife instead. It's just easier, and it won't damage the cardboard, or you won't mess up that bad if you use the knife versus a scissor. And that's it for Oogie Boogie. I will spray paint all of these once it's done. Here is one of the characters. I didn't show you the other two characters simply because it's the same thing as Oogie Boogie. This one I am showing you because I did use a wreath form to make the circle for this character. And then I drew his details and went back with the knife to cut everything out just like Oogie Boogie. I will keep this one white only because his character has a white face similar to Jack. Here I'm just picking on all the little details on his teeth, and here is the finished product. And that's it for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that bell so you will be notified when my next video will be up. Until then, guys, I will see you in my next one. Bye.